Is your aim feeling off or sensitivity is not working or not applying? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you some quick guide which might help fixing PUBG Mobile's sensitivity issue. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, simply hit towards settings. So for that, simply select this arrow icon right here. Hit towards settings on the top. And now make sure you are under sensitivity. That should be right below customize buttons. So select customize right here and make sure to type in your value as much as you want. New area sensitivity. So make sure if the sensitivity is about gyroscope, simply select gyroscope and then make sure it's always on. Now you can just simply edit its sensitivity. So you can just simply change it as you want and make sure to check it if it still works. So if you're using a guest account, sensitivity might reset. Always log in with Facebook or Google, which might help in your sensitivity error as well. If it's still broken, you can just simply clear out your cache. So just simply hit towards PUBG Mobile and open up its settings. And once you're there, on the bottom right side, you can see clear data. Just simply select it and then select clear cache. Now select OK and any junk files should be removed and your PUBG should start working. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.